Hey, you, sir, man, boy, woman, or girl, or dog or animal, whoever's watching this, are you sick of renting? Are you tired of renting? Do you want to own a home but you can't because your credit ain't the best? Well, I'm telling you, watch this video all the way through and you're going to learn, there goes my hat, how you can get into a house regardless of what your credit is. And no, I don't mean we're going to help you get approved some high rate crap. That's not what we do. Before I go any further, let me tell you what, my name is Matty D of A1 Solutions Group. We are the secret credit registration company here in Winchester and the surrounding cities. All right, hear me out. Having bad credit sucks because if you're renting all the time, you have one of the worst DJ Khaled's of renting every year. Renting. It's like another one and another one, another one. And it's like, what do I do? Look, your credit's important. Having bad credit stops you from enjoying other aspects of life like getting new credit cards, getting loans, getting a car that you really want instead of always driving a used one. And like I mentioned, beginning this video, getting a piece of American dream, home ownership. Some of you own that you control, build equity in, and use equity to, do what you want. Something crazy, maybe like buying a house and you rent it out. Do some. You see what I mean? Not only that, but bad credit stops you from having lower insurance rates, such as car insurance and health insurance. Yes, they look at that too, and in some cases, and becoming a bit more common, unbeknownst to most people, is job opportunities. Yes, some places will check your credit. If your credit is not in the best shape, they'll be like, deuces. This means literally you're not getting credit granted with money. You're literally denying yourself of money because your credit is not great. Kind of a crappy catch-22 in that situation. So, probably wondering, okay, Matt, it's great. How in the world can I get in a house if I'm only stuck to renting every year? This is where we come in. Like I said, A1 Solutions Group, okay? We are good. We have been featured on Fox 5 News, spoken at Drexel University, and so far for this year in 2019, also by at the recording of this video, we have assisted in the closing of $10 million of home loans for people who could not qualify before. Let me repeat. Let me say it again. I said, did the Mike Jones. I said, so far for this year in 2019, we have assisted in closing of $10 million of home loans for people who could not qualify before, which means we can help you. So how do we do it exactly? Short and skinny of it all is this. You got collections on there, medical collections, charge-offs, anything negative, two-way inquiries, fraudulent stuff. You come to us, we get this stuff knocked off so that you can become credit worthy, so that you can walk into the realtor's office or the loan officer's place, be like, yo, I want a house, dog. They'd be like, really? I'm gonna check credit. You'd be like, run it. They'd be like, I'm gonna run it. And they're like, oh, snap, you's approved. You'd be like, yeah. So it may not go like that, but you catch my drift. This is their job, to get you to be credit worthy so that you can get the house that you want, so you can have home ownership. Yeah. Home ownership. Tell me about it. So, I'll sweeten the deal for you here. Give us a call. I can guarantee you that by working with us in your first 60 business days, that's Monday through Friday, all right, you'll have a deletion or deletions, okay? We will guarantee that you'll have a deletion or deletions off your credit report within your first 60 business days of working with us. So, if you're tired of renting, you want to get in the house and be able to do the I can't think of the house dance. I got a house. I'm doing the dance, doing the house, that dance, whatever dance you want to do. Give us a call today. Call the number above in the title or in the description below, or just as I say it to you right now, 877-250-7170 extension 2. You talk to me because you want to talk to me. Why? I'm so just handsome. Just kidding. Arrogant, yes, but for real. 877-250-7170 extension 2. Let's talk today. Get you going so you can be on the road to getting the house you want. Talk to you soon, and I look forward to working with you soon too. Peace.